What's going on, guys? It's Sebastian. In this video, I'm going to essentially give you guys a tour of my whole apartment. Now, I just filmed this video and I realized my mic was dead, and this has happened to me before, so I need to start just charging my mic and turning it off after I use it. If you guys didn't know, I moved from California to Texas around 2 months ago, and I've been getting settled in. I finally have furniture in my living room, my bedroom, and it's starting to come together. So I felt like now was a good time to give you guys a tour. And then after I give you guys the tour, I'll talk about kind of why I moved out and if I enjoy living on my own, because I don't have any roommates. I live completely by myself. I have one family member in this state, so it's not like I have a lot. I really moved here and I knew basically no one. So I'll talk about all of that after I show you guys the apartment. So without further ado, let's just get into it. My eyes are kind of buggy the whole video. They've been really sore lately. I don't know why. I slept with my contacts like one day this week and they've just been killing me this whole week now. So I guess that's just punishment. But yeah, let's get into the tour. All right, hopefully the audio is good because my mic is up here, but yeah, I'm gonna flip some lights on and then we'll get going with this. Here's when you walk in, you have a view of the living room, and I'll start off over here. Let me flip a light on as well. So this is the dining room. I don't have a dining room table. Reason being, I believe I'm gonna use this room for something else. So I may have another setup right there, dependent on if I end up doing what I'm thinking of doing. So I'm not gonna talk too much about it, but yeah, dining room, I mean, it's a nice room. I just, again, don't really have any use for it at the moment. Well, I may, but yeah, we'll see. And then we have the kitchen. I'm in here quite a bit just because I cook essentially every meal unless I'm eating out. So yeah, I mean, countertops, cabinets, backsplash. Here's a pantry. It's gonna be kind of dark, but pantry. And then we have a laundry room right here. I'll flip the light on. You know, washer, dryer, cheap ass vacuum. This thing was literally like 30 bucks, but gets the job done. I was editing the video and realized I didn't even do a fridge tour, so here we're gonna do it. Almond milk, essential for, I do protein shakes every day, and then eggs, 6 a day, every day. LaCroix, this is usually my dinner drink. San Pellegrino, that's also essential. We got the small bottles and the big ones. Monster. Okay, I was taking Zyrtec and it was making me sleepy as hell, so I had to counterbalance it with some Monsters, and then now I'm off that and I'm on some other shit. But chicken as well. I eat chicken. God, I eat probably like almost 2 pounds of that. Maybe not 2 pounds, like 1.5 pounds a day. And then little snacks, beef jerky, steak strips, some Greek yogurt, snack food, sour cream. I put this, so basically I do like rice and chicken bowls 2 times a day, and then I do that, or an avocado or cheese, whatever I'm feeling. But yeah, that's my fridge. And then freezer, I think I have, yeah, chicken strips. That's about it. So that's the fridge. All right, now we're gonna go to the spare bedroom, I guess you could call it. It's a second bedroom. I don't use it. It's literally just a bedroom, and yeah, there's no real use for it right now. So, and then I don't know if you guys can see, it might be too bright, but it's kind of rainy outside. So yeah, that's uptown Dallas for you though. Weather's so weird. But yeah, this is the second bedroom. My brother may be moving out to Dallas this summer. We'll see, hopefully he does. So that'll be pretty cool, but for now it's empty. And then we have the second bathroom right here. I guess this is like the guest bathroom. Here's a bathtub shower combo, and then closet right here for towels and shit. Again, I don't use this, so there's really no use for it. And then cabinet, sink, mirror, me, what's up? Ooh, that door sounded like I pooped my pants. And then here's the living room. So I have a TV right here. It's a pretty big one. It barely fit in my car. Like literally it was up against the trunk, and I don't use it. Unless I'm Netflix and chilling, this TV stays off. Just because I don't really watch TV or anything unless, again, I'm having people over. And then I have furniture. This is kind of new, so I just got this a week ago, I believe. So couch, little chair or love seat, whatever. And then this is, I need a pillow, so this is just a bed pillow for my little cushion on the couch if I need to lay down. This is my plant. It's a palm tree, and I did not know how much water to give it. And as you guys can see, I clearly have not been giving it enough water. So I finally learned exactly how much to give it and how to start properly watering it. So it should be coming back to life in the next week or two. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And then here's my balcony. I have a little table and a chair out there. Sometimes I eat out there, weirdly enough. It's actually raining, so I'm gonna pull the furniture in. But yeah, here's the balcony. And then here is Dallas. It's still really bright. There you go. So yeah, that was the balcony. And then this is where I work every single day. I'm sitting at this chair. I should probably upgrade this chair. This is a cheap Amazon one. If you guys have any recommendations for office chairs, let me know. I'm willing to spend a bag just because I sit on it every single day. But here's my desk. I use the Fully desks. I'm not sponsored by them, but I just like being able to stand up if I need to, or if I'm sitting for too long, I'll just, you know, stand up for a little bit. So yeah, this is the desk, pretty cool. I use this computer essentially just for trading crypto, and then this is my main Mac or iMac, trade stocks, work on other stuff on there. This is my monitor. I just use this if I'm gonna play video games. Xbox Series X, I believe, I don't know. It's a new one. But yeah, when I wanna play, hop on with some friends or my brother. And then I have this sign right here. It's a LED sign, the world is yours. Shout out to my mom. She bought that for me for my birthday. I love you, Mom. But that is the living room. And yes, I work in my living room. Reason being, I just like having a view. I don't want to be trapped in a room that's super closed off. I've worked like that my whole life. And I just don't really like it. I like that right here I can stand up and I can walk around my whole living space and, you know, just feel kind of free. I don't feel confined to a small space. So yeah, that's why I work in my living room. And it looks cool. It's not like it looks bad. There's nice open windows and stuff. So yeah, it looks good. But yeah, that's my living room. And then we'll go into my bedroom, which I was kind of hesitant on if I should do this, but whatever. So the nice thing about this apartment, because I was looking at a 2-bedroom, which is this one, and then a 3-bedroom. I almost got that one until I toured it. So the first bedroom is right here through this wall, and then there's a ton of space in between that bedroom, which is the spare one or the second one, and the master, which is mine. I personally like it because if I'm loud in here, no one can hear me out here. So that's great. And that's only, you know, if someone moves in, like if my brother moves here, then I won't really have to deal with any noises. But yeah, it's pretty dope. But back to the tour. So this is the first closet. It's a huge closet. It's walk-in. I'm not gonna open it though, just because there's a lot of stuff in it. And then here's another one of those towel closets. I think it's called a linen closet or something. Here's my bathroom, bathtub, don't use it. Shower, use it once in a while. And then here's the sink, whatever. Toilet, nothing really special, it's just a bathroom. And then we have another closet right here. I have 2 closets in this room. This one's pretty big. It's like, I would say 1.5 size of the other one. Clothes, hats, because my hair is always a mess. Pants, long sleeves. And then we got the little pump right there. And yeah, that's the closet and my bedroom. I don't know if you guys are ready for my bedroom just because it's pretty crazy the amount of like decorations and shit I have in here. So here is my bedroom. Complete opposite, I was kidding. So I just have a bed and 1 pillow. The other pillow is out in the living room, you guys saw that. But yeah, this is my bed. I think it's a king size, so it's quite big. And then I have a nice view right here. The sun rises out there, so you can, like, that wakes me up. I'm out of bed really early just because it's always bright and just shining on my face. But yeah, this is my bedroom. Now I only have a bed in here mainly because I keep things simple. I'm not gonna make like I'm a minimalistic person because those videos are all over YouTube, but I am pretty minimal. I mean, as you guys can see from the apartment, there's not tons of stuff, but I'm not gonna go crazy and have like 1 fork and 1 spoon and 1 knife and no couch and weird shit like that. Like, I'm gonna furnish my place a little bit, but I just don't like to have tons of stuff in my bedroom because it's to sleep. It's not really to hang out or anything. And I will definitely not have a TV in there. I just don't see a purpose in doing it. Only real purpose if I had a TV in there is for Netflix and chill occasions, but that's what the living room's for. Again, I live here alone, so it's not really an issue. So that's the apartment tour. It's a pretty cool apartment. It is, I believe, like 1,500 square feet, so it's a pretty good size. So I've definitely gotten a good deal. I pay around $3 grand a month for mine, which it may sound expensive and it may sound like a lot of money to a lot of people, but the cool thing is I've moved my company to Texas and I've moved my residency to Texas, so I no longer have California state income tax, which I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I believe it's around 12%. Now 12% may not sound like a crazy amount, and you may be like, how can you justify like moving when you're taking on, you know, $3,000 a month in payments? But if you're making $1 million or a few million a year, saving 12% on all of your money, even if it's just 1 million, 12% is 120 grand. So that will pay for this apartment, my cars, everything. Essentially, I'll be living here, and I am living here for free just because the amount I'm saving. So it was kind of a no-brainer. So it was in between here, which is Dallas, Texas, and I was thinking Las Vegas or Henderson, Nevada, but the thing is I knew absolutely no one in those areas, so I decided to go with Dallas. The one thing that was pushing me a little towards Nevada, but I ended up not doing it, was my family is closer to Nevada, so it definitely would have been easier to go visit them more often, but I decided again to just do Texas because I love the city. I love Dallas more. It's more my scene. There's a lot of young people here. There's a lot of ambitious individuals here. And I feel like, again, more my scene. I don't want to live in a place where people are all retired and stuff, because I want to be in an area where if I want to, I can go out and have fun. But if I also want to, I can just sit here and work all day, and I have a beautiful view, so I have nothing to worry about. Food in the kitchen. Well, I could have food in the kitchen anywhere. But overall though, I enjoy living here. I am super glad that I moved. Again, like, it was kind of quick. I found the apartment, a few weeks later I moved, so kind of quick. And then I got into a car accident. Weeks before I moved, I had already signed my lease. It was raining. I was skirting the Mercedes, the C43. But like I was saying, essentially I hit a tree, messed my car up, didn't get to fix it in time. So I still wanted to move, and I was like, oh shit, well, I don't have this car. And also it was really small, and I started to think about all the shit I needed to bring to Dallas, Texas, and I was like, I'm not gonna fit all of my stuff in this car. I might need to look for an SUV. So like days before, I think 2 days before I had to do the drive here, I was like, oh shit, I should probably look into buying another car. And then I found the car that I bought, which is, I'll make a video about it, but I bought another car, and it's on my Instagram as well. Bought another one and then picked it up, and then 2 days later drove it from California here, and then now I have that as well. So it was crazy moving, like everything went so fast, and I'm really grateful that I'm in a position where, like, if something happens, I don't really worry about it. I'll just, you know, buy another car. I don't need to wait to trade in another car, which is crazy because like end of 2019, I had lost almost all of my money, and I don't know if I've talked about this, but yeah, I almost lost like all of my money. And so it's crazy looking back on like the lows and then the highs, and then now where I'm at. I'm in a very good position now, doing tons of investments and stuff. So it's all just pretty crazy, but I'm not gonna go on a rant. This was just an apartment tour, but I'm gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys again enjoyed this apartment tour. Let me know what you guys think of it, and if you guys have any questions, comments, or video recommendations, you can always drop those in the comment section below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll post one next week because I'm going back to California in a week, so I'll post a video before then. It's gonna be dropshipping related, so if you guys have any suggestions, again, let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to leave a like and click subscribe if you guys have not already. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, whatever, that was good.